Now, let's solve a question from the IB question bank. The question says that the parameter of a given square p can be represented by the function p of a equals 4 times the square root of a, where the domain is a greater than or equal to 0 because the square root can take a negative value, where a is the square of the area of the square. The graph of the function p is shown from 0, a to 25. Now, we need, for part A, to write down the value of p of 25. It means I want the value of the perimeter when the area is 25, or the value of y when x is equal to 25. So for part A, p of 25 is equal to 25 on the x-axis, which represents the a. Here is the 25. So the 25 crosses here, and mapping it to the p-value, which is the y, it gives me 20. So the p of 25 is simply equal to 20. Now, the range of p of a is from 0, the range are the y values. They start from the 0 to p of a till n. N is the maximum value, which our case we have it as 20. Part B, hence write down the value of n, since the maximum value of y, which is the perimeter, is 20, so the value of n is simply equal also to 20. Part C of the question, on the same axis, draw the graph of the inverse function p inverse. First, we have to draw the line y equals x. Here is the line y equals x. This is y equals x. And then we have to reflect the function p on this line. So the reflection would be this way. So the blue line is simply p inverse of a. For part D, in the context of the question, explain the meaning of p inverse of 8 equal to 4. P inverse, we map the opposite way, as you remember. We map the y values to the x values. In our context, we map not the area to the perimeter to the area. So for part D, this means when the perimeter is equal to 8, the area is equal to 4. We map it the opposite way around. When the value of the perimeter is 8, the value of the area is equal to 4.